Okay, it says it's recording. So what we want to do today is just show you how to get started. We're going to try and make a Pong clone. We're going to follow this tutorial at thoughtbot blog Pong clone in JavaScript. This first section, we're going to copy it and paste it into our HTML section. This website is jsfiddle.net. Both of these websites will work whatever device you are using. I'm currently on a, well, laptop, but it'll work on a Mac, it'll work on your iPhone, it'll work on an iPad. You just gotta type. So we don't actually need to call out what script source we're taking, because jsfiddle is set up to use the script down here. So we don't need that for the head, but inside of the body we do want to add a couple of headers or titles. Our first title is going to be our name. My name is Mr. Lowe. And then our second header is going to be a little bit smaller, and it's going to be called Pong clone, or whatever it is that we are working on today. Let's run that, see if it works, and it does. That was kind of yesterday's assignment. We just went through it really quick. So today, if we flip back over to the tutorial here, I really encourage you read these things, but this section that are in sort of gray boxes and it looks like code, here's another one down here, and another one down here. There's 5 or 6 of these, and then there's this pink sort of like square. If we load up the page, we should see something like this. That means that if we take these sections of code and type them in, I really do encourage you to type it in. Pull this up on a another tab and switch back and forth. Take your time with this. Yeah, spend 20 minutes typing. It'll be good for you. The more you type, the more you'll actually look at the code and read the code. It's not just about getting the finished project or product. It's about the journey. I mean, especially with education, it's about the journey. Like if your journey includes copying and pasting, and you're not reading anything, if your journey is just watching this video and not reading anything, you're not gonna have as beneficial of a time as you could. So anyway, those are the sections of code. It's the 5 or 6 first sections of code there. I really do encourage you to read these things, right? Find out what this code is doing. For example, what is this one line of code right here doing? Right, that's the question you got to answer me. What happens when you change that line of code? So now that we've got it all typed in over here, let's run it. And we've got this beautiful sort of pink rectangle. Get there, hit the save button, and then copy me this little address right here. Copy and paste that into an email. Let me know that you're on track. If you've got any questions as you're doing this, send me an email. If you know what happens when you change that section of code right here, in fact, I don't want to spoil it for you, so I'm not going to change that, but you change these little numbers right there, and you tell me what happens. That's all I got. Good luck.